Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing GitHub versus GitLab in 2025, two of the biggest platforms developers use for version control and DevOps. We will break down their key features, pros and cons, so you can decide which one fits your workflow best. Overview. Both GitHub and GitLab are built around Git, the most popular version control system for managing code. But in 2025, these platforms have evolved differently. GitHub is owned by Microsoft and focuses on collaboration, community, and integrations. GitLab, on the other hand, is an open core platform that emphasizes DevOps automation, CI/CD, and self-hosting options. Let's dive into what makes each stand out. GitHub pros. Massive community. GitHub still hosts the world's largest community of developers, perfect for open source projects. GitHub Copilot, the AI assistant powered by OpenAI, keeps getting smarter in 2025, helping write and review code faster. Strong integrations. It works seamlessly with VS Code, Azure, and third-party tools like Slack and Jira. Great for collaboration. Pull requests, issues, and discussions make teamwork simple. GitHub cons. Limited free CI and CD compared to GitLab. GitHub Actions still has usage limits for free users. Less control. You cannot fully self-host GitHub's core service. Only GitHub Enterprise Server offers that at a cost. GitLab Pros. All-in-one DevOps platform. GitLab covers everything from code management to deployment pipelines in one tool. Better CI/CD integration. GitLab's pipelines are native and powerful. You can automate testing, building, and deployment easily. Self-hosting options, ideal for enterprises needing full control over data and privacy. Open source option. The community edition is free and customizable. GitLab cons. Smaller community, GitLab doesn't have as large a user base as GitHub, so community support and third-party integrations are fewer. Interface complexity. It can feel more technical and less beginner-friendly than GitHub. Performance issues. Self-hosted versions can be slower or require heavy setup. Which should you choose? If you are an individual developer or work mostly on open source projects, GitHub is the best choice. Simple, collaborative, and integrated with top AI tools. If you are part of a team or enterprise that needs end-to-end DevOps, automation, and privacy, GitLab wins with its CI/CD power and self-hosting flexibility. Conclusion. So that is a quick breakdown of GitHub versus GitLab in 2025. Both are amazing. It really depends on your workflow. And now tell me, which one do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech comparisons.